malaking tulong ito sa ekonomiya, hindi lang ng Tacloban City, hindi lang Eastern Visayas, pero lahat hanggang Mindanao, hanggang Luzon. Kasi ito talagang main thoroughfare na dinadaanan. Lalo na yung mga pasahero, hindi na mahirapan. Ang 15 tons will accommodate a bus kahit puno ng pasahero. They're doing this now because I want to make sure, and they want to make sure na tama talaga yung trabaho nila. Okay? So, this is what is happening now. So, papasalamat naman ako na so far, it looks good. Now, I'll caution, lahat ng dumadaan dito, talagang we will strictly enforce weighing of the vehicle, lalo na mga trucks, at magkakaroon din tayo ng speed limit dito, not over 25 or 30 kilometers per hour. This is an announcement to all trucks that are passing. Bago umagi dito, kita talagang na hindi ka lalampas ng 15 tons kasi pababalikin ka. Okay, there's a weigh station here, mandatory for trucks that magpapaweigh sila. Pag lumampas ng 15 tons, you will be asked to turn around. So we're doing this as a dry run while the engineers are under the bridge inspecting now this bridge habang tumatakbo ngayon yung mga vehicles nito. Malaki, 15 tons.